Right, so we're 23 days in on this job. We've finished, we've completed today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a little look around. We're in North Ferriby in Hull. We've created a garden office. It's approximately 6.2 by 3.7 deep. It's got bifold doors and a tilt and turn window, and we've finished with some composite decking. So if you follow me, I'll let you have a little look around it. We've fit Western cedar to the sides, to the front, to the soffit, to the fascia. We've treated that with a UV stabiliser oil as well. You can see over there, there's a photo cell which will turn on these canopy lights at night time. We've also dug this composite decking into the ground to level it off. The landscape gardener's going to come then and finish off this turf area around here. We've fit some 3 metre aluminium bifolds, anthracite grey, toughened safety glass and a high security locking system. We only use the best company around. We've fit 5 fire rated spotlights in the bulkhead there. On the top there we've got a Firestone rubber roof. It's a 50-year warranty on, finished with black fascias and trims. That's a tilt and turn window. I'll show you how that works. We've also put these dummy pillars on the side there as well, which look like they support the roof. We finished this step around there at a nice little corner detail because the ground drops. It's about maybe 400mm difference in height, so we've done that. We've fit an IP rated double socket there. Again, we've clad this side in cedar, the front and both side elevations in cedar. We've fit a security night light as well. Just nip round here, show you what we've done on the back. We've fit the gutter and downpipe to the back there. There's a soak away that we've dug into the ground there, so basically it's a hole filled with gravel. The water will soak away from there. And on the back there, we treated with a feather edge board. Nice and tight, there it is. Let's go inside and have a little look. Like I said, we fit 3 metre aluminium bifold doors. They glide along there nice and easy. Lovely construction to them. Best on market they are. There you go, now you can work from home there and you've got your garden coming in. We'll have a look inside. There's his desk. We've fit a nice laminate floor as well. Come inside, I'll show you what we've done. So we've got some sockets down there. We've got a bank of sockets under there with a USB. We've also got a data point there as well for his computer, which we're connected to the house Wi-Fi as well. TV point up there. We've put pattern walls so the TV better fit there. We've another socket over there with USB. We've finished the foot walls in Farrow and Ball. Farrow and Ball? I did that bit. What's it called, John?
Don't know. Just paint.
Okay. So we finished the ceiling in white. We finished the walls in grey. All the woodwork's been painted white as well. We've got our consumer unit there as well. That's been certified and tested by our electrician. Some more sockets down there and data point and Wi-Fi. And we've also fit a digital heater as well. So you can set that to come on and go off whenever you like. This is the tilt and turn window, so it's got 2 operations. Opens fully like a door like that, let the air in, or if you turn it halfway, it'll drop back and operate as a window as well. Lovely little feature that. Like I say, these aluminium bifold doors, the best on market. High security locking system, toughened safety glass. No problem at all to pull them, turn, glide them. So there we have a 6 metre by 3.5 metre garden office. So we've got a town on this one. So we've used 6-inch timber in the wall because the customer wants some sound insulation as well. So accommodate the sound insulation and the thermal insulation, we have to use a bigger wall. So we've got basically a 6-inch wall filled with sound insulation and filled with thermal insulation as well. Then there's a moisture barrier on the inside. There's a vapour barrier on the outside. There's OSB sheeting on that as well. And then there's cladding. A lot of these companies, they're not doing it right. I mean, the end job, if you look at it on a picture, looks alright, but if you look at the pictures in detail as the build's going on, you'll see that the process is not correct and they're not building them right. We're the only company that are building them right and give you a quality finish like this. Absolutely nothing else to do apart from dress this room. So it's a 6 metre by 3.5 metres, 21 square metres of working space, work from home. I mean, look at the view he's got there outside. What could be better? So if you're interested in one of these, you might want to give us a ring, give us an email, I'll drop you a quote across and we can go from there. Availability will be tight this year because we're doing an absolute outstanding job and we can't be faulted. Give me a call today. Thank you.